Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another live stream. We are back, and wow, back with a vengeance is the crypto market right now. This is just great to see. The overall market cap now pushing to 2.2. We're almost to $2.2 trillion in the market cap. So we're going to take a look at the latest, what's going on with all of our favorite assets. A lot of those listed in the title: SHIB, ETH, Matic. How about Polygon? Polygon doing some great work right now. So welcome into another live stream. It's been a couple of days. Look at Matic, up 10.48%, loving it. So we'll take a look at some of the biggest gainers here in the top 100. And we'll go through there. Let me send out a tweet so everybody knows we're live. Let's see here. Send out the tweet. There we go. Push that out to everybody. So we knew the institutional money was coming into Ethereum eventually, coming into the entire crypto market, and I guess today's the day, September 1st. What a way to start the month, right? As Ethereum gets close to 3,800. Wow. Thought this would happen a little sooner, to be honest, but there you can see there was the big spike, selling off a little bit, but look, a nice little comeback here. On the charts right now, a strong buy is ETH on the technicals. So we're going to continue to watch this. I think we're going to move higher and higher this week on ETH. I really believe that. This is something I just talked about in my recent update on Ethereum. The dominance is at 20% right now for ETH, okay, in the overall market. That's big. Okay, it's 19.9. 20% dominance right now for ETH. This is similar to what we saw when it was up at its all-time high. We were in the 20s, around 25%. I think it got up there as high as that, you know, when it set its all-time high. So, Flores, how you doing, man? Samir, nice shirt color. Zach, yeah, what's up, man? Appreciate that, my friend. Todd, what's up? Yeah, I did reverse psychology today. I went with the red shirt to get green in the crypto market. So that's the kind of path we took. Went red shirt just to get a green day. Everto, what's happening, brother? What's going on, man? All right, so some of the biggest gainers. FTX token, it's had a wild ride over the past month or so, huh? Phantom is up 23%. VeChain, 16%. Elrond has been on a nice ride. Look at that. The past week, Elrond is up 29%. Look at Phantom in the past 7 days. 77%. Wow. What's up? I am Money Magnet. How you doing, man? Member here on YouTube. Appreciate you, brother. VeChain and Polygon, both up over 10%. Love to see that. Love to see that. VeChain number 20 right now. Polygon number 19. And Chainlink making some nice strides today. How about that? I talked about Chainlink in an update this morning, and there you go. It's up 10%, almost to $30. I still think Chainlink right now should be $40 per link, and I think it should be in the top 10. Firmly believe that. It's an asset that I believe is undervalued right now. Red shirt every day. That's it, Sean. Perry, what's up, man? Too many cryptos to buy. Yeah, I know, right? Well, today is hopefully today for a lot of people is a sit back and watch their portfolio grow, or maybe even take some profits depending on which asset you're talking about, right? What's up, Daniel? How you doing, man? All right, y'all, real quick, if you forgot to hit that like button, go ahead and do that for us real quick. Takes no time whatsoever. Totally free to do. Helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Happy first of the month. This is pretty sweet. We're getting a beautiful day in the market. How you doing, Ashley? Long time. What's up? Can you tell me what you think about BNB? I bought one BNB today. I like BNB. I don't invest in it. I just... You know, partly because Binance is, in my opinion, a little sketchy. So I'd rather just go elsewhere. But I totally get it. I totally get where you're coming from with it. So Ethereum now up 10%. Take a look at that chart again. So we're getting another green candlestick on ETH. Could this be the next push? Can we get to 3,800 on this stream? How cool would that be? If we got to 3,800 on the live stream, that would be pretty sweet. Armando, what's up, man? Federico, how you doing? Satama's up 43%. Interesting. Analog Rich, what's up, man? Do you think AMP will recover anytime soon? So I'm glad you brought that up. So AMP, let's talk about AMP for a minute. So let me find AMP on our trading view here. AMP. There it is. So AMP right now, I'm still holding, but I watched some really intelligent people do some technical analysis recently, and they are not fans of AMP. Okay, so all of my insiders, I may be trading AMP right now for the time being to get into something else, but we'll have to wait and see. I'm still kind of sifting through some things, but of course, if you want to become a Patreon member, let me link this over in the chat. Today's a great day to do so because it's the first of the month, and really all week long, it's a great time to jump in to the Patreon. We'd love to have you over there. Over 125 people now in our group talking crypto all the time. It's a great place to be. I know a lot of people in the chat already here in the private community. So, but yeah, AMP. I'm starting to change my tune a little bit. I still think it's a very high risk, high reward play at the moment. Being that it works in collateral, I think it's going to come in handy. This technology, at least, will it be AMP? I don't know. But the things that I'm reading and seeing on the technicals don't look good. Okay, so I might be selling my AMP a little bit, slowly selling off. So we'll have to see. Zach, look into Engine. It's supposed to boom. Yes, Engine token is huge. I love Engine, Tori. Engine is already up over the past couple weeks. It's really performing well. You can look at Engine as really the epicenter of the NFT and gaming space. Without Engine, a lot of these platforms wouldn't exist. Engine, you can almost look at it as an ETF for this space, right? It's huge, and it's probably not grown as much as it should have in the past several months and this year. But yeah, love Engine. Here it is, ranked 74. It's just over $2 right now. But it had a nice pop in the past 7 days. You could see that nice little pop. So yeah, $5 soon on Engine. I like it. I like it. Thanks, Trina. Appreciate it. What the hell happened to ETH? Paul, I'm telling you, man, it's institutional money. Institutions are now jumping in head first. First of the month, they see where the stock market's heading. They see inflation, and they look at crypto as an opportunity to hide some money and make some money. That's what I think, personally. That's what I think's going on. AJ, what's up? Uphold sent out negative alerts. I almost lost it and took a loan out to buy up all my big five. What did they send out, AJ? I'm actually working with Uphold. I'm trying to get my account resolved so I can buy some XRP. So we'll see. I know a lot of people out there will like that. So yeah, there's a little bit on AMP, a little bit on Ethereum too. Loving what Ethereum is doing, obviously. Just absolutely loving this because it's been a long time coming. We've been consolidating for a while, and everything we look at related to supply and demand just tells us Ethereum is looking amazing. The demand has never been higher, okay? The supply is being cut like crazy. So check this out. I don't know if you watched this watched my video right before I went live here already. There's been over 500 million Ether burned just since EIP 1559 went live. Over 500 million Ether burned since EIP 1559 went live, which was beginning of August, right? So this is setting up for a massive, massive rally for Ethereum. I'm telling you. And I think 2022 is going to be even bigger. So as much gains that we see in 2021, I think we can expect more gains out of Ethereum in 2022 when Ethereum 2.0 launches. All right, real quick, TV timeout. Smash that like button. We need to get up to 30 likes. That means there's at least 30 people in here who forgot to hit the like button. I know I'm a stickler for it, but it really helps push this out to new people. Let's get some interesting people in here with some interesting ideas. That's what it's all about, right? This is a think tank. I don't have all the answers, all right? But together, we can learn a lot. And that's what we're doing over at the Patreon too, of course. But right here in these live chats, we can really learn a lot from each other too. So smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Would appreciate that. Aaron, thank you for the super chat. I saw a vid today about Goku coin, totally like the Dragon Ball Z character. Is there copyright legal stuff with cryptos? Can a token be sued? That's interesting. Obviously, a token and a company really, like Ripple, they can be sued or regulated to some extent. However, you're getting into copyright issues. If it looked like the Dragon Ball Z character and they did something a little bit different, they tweaked it, right? You'll see people like take the Nike sign, for instance, and just make one small change, and now it's not trademarked. So I'm guessing that's what they did with Goku coin, because I'm sure Dragon Ball Z, the character, is trademarked, and so they probably took it and made a little slight adaptation to it, changed a color here or there, or what have you, and then you're good. So there are ways around it too. So, good question. Thank you for the super chat. Yeah, Vidal, I agree with what Tori said. I don't come on here and tell you what to buy. I just hopefully inform you on some things we're looking at, some of the things I'm seeing and reading, and hopefully that helps you make better decisions. This is not financial advice, just for entertainment, informational purposes only. And when I say informational, I really mean this is a think tank. This is a place where we all come together and throw out ideas, and it helps us learn and better understand and navigate the crypto markets, right? That's what we're doing. Chaotic, yesterday I went to a live stream. I never do. One guy said Ethereum isn't going anywhere. I never comment to people, but I pinged him saying, just watch it this week. LOL, woke up to a nice portfolio. Chaotic, I love it. I would have loved to have been in that live stream too, been like, what in the heck are you talking about? What are you seeing and reading that says Ethereum's not going to do well? I disagree. I beg to differ. What's up, Nick? That's 161K ETH burned. Yeah. Ignores the 92K minted. Nice, Daniel. Appreciate it, brother. Yeah, so there's the number, as Daniel mentioned, 161,000 Ethereum tokens burned already. That's insane. They put it right here, approximately 156,000 ETH burned at the time of this writing. EIP 1559 just came out. What's going to happen in the next 4 months as more ETH is burned over the next 4 months? And I still think 2022 is going to be the biggest year yet for ETH. Squish Report, how did they get to these 30 to 50K price targets January 2023? That means big gains in 2001 and even bigger gains in 2022. That's how they get to these price predictions, okay, in my opinion. Have you heard or gotten into CNFTs? No, Kevin. What are those? Inform me, my friend. Tell us more. Use a lot of the way to get around something which is similar. Nice, Averto. Appreciate that. Short answer is yes, but it has to be 80% different from the original design. There you go, AJ. He's got it down to a science. 80% different than the original design. So going back to Aaron, your question there. Armando, I'm new to crypto. Could you explain more about what burning coins is? Sure. Armando, basically when you burn coins, you're taking them out of the circulating supply. All right, so let me show you an example here. We'll use Shiba Inu as an example. All right, SHIB's back up to the 07 level too. Love to see that. So SHIB right now has a circulating supply, as you can see at this on the far right side here, of 394. What is that? Billion? 394 billion SHIB circulating supply. Okay, so if we burned 25, now we would decrease the circulating supply by 25 billion because now they're gone. They're not circulating in supply. They can't be traded. They can't be bought and sold. They're burned. And in return, what this does is it'll help the price, right? Supply and demand. Now things are in more demand. In this case, Shiba tokens would be in more demand because there are less of them. Scarcity, right? That's the key. So hopefully that helps. Good afternoon, future crypto millionaires. Al, my man, what's happening? For example, Candy Crush is clearly a rip-off bust a block game, etc., but subtractive difference, won in court. Nice, yeah. Nice. It's a real learning curve with many moving parts, exactly. Zach, what's the top gainers? Yeah, we'll take a look at that, Tori. For sure, man. Good to see you, Tori, too. Wow, this thing is just, we're rising, man. It continues to move up. So top gainers, biggest gainers overall, we've got Miniswap, BayPay, and Poker, Polker. Now, in the top 100, FTX token is up top with Phantom, IOTA, Revain, Avalanche. Wow, Avalanche storming back. Thorchain, VeChain up there, 13%. Love it. Elrond, SushiSwap, Helium. These are all up in double digits. Ethereum, OKB, and Link just below 10% right now. And then you got a bunch at 9%. Along with Link, you got Polygon and Synthetics, Aave, Compound, Waves. A lot of things in the green right now. Love it. This was a pleasant surprise. I came home from my office and flipped on CoinMarketCap and saw ETH at 37 something, and I was like, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, Al, VeChain, love it, man. It's up, what, 13% right now? Love it. Boca, I hear you, man. I don't know why that is, man. I don't know why that is. I'm good. Zay, how you doing, man? Hey, Zach, have you heard okay, no, got it, Kevin. Let's see. Yeah, is it corporate NFTs? Is that what it is? Daniel? I'm not sure. All great with the market, Christian. Yeah, I saw Satama E-News up 43%. Saw that. Good morning from California. What's up, Luis? How you doing, man? Thanks for your info. Have you checked Satama today? There you go, Diaz. Yep. It's not a, well, we'll see. Biggest gainers. Let's check it. Let's see the whole list here. Biggest gainers. Here you go. Biggest gainers, and we've got the top losers over here too on the right-hand side. So top gainers, is there anything that is high market cap? Let's see. All right, these are the highest market cap gainers. Deriva DAO, haven't heard of that. These are, there's only a few that are outside the or inside the top 1,000 here. Presearch, haven't heard of that. I don't even know where Satama would be. Let's see. You said it's, yeah, it's not here on the front, I don't think. Let's go back and let's just go 24-hour period here. Top gainers. There we go. What is it up? About 43%. So it's not on this front page. There are more cryptos above it right now. Doge Warrior. What is this? Another one? Ethereum Lightning? The heck is that? There are so many cryptos now. 11,552 cryptos. Total market cap of $2,189,000,000,000. Wow. That's pretty wild. If you could hit the like button for us, let's jump over 50 likes. I think we could do that. We've got at least 5 people who forgot to hit the like button, right? First of the month, feeling great, market's up. Smash the like button. That's all I ask. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And we're going to get into some other stories here, see what's going on in the cryptoverse, in the crypto world. So, what else do we got here? Let's go see what the news looks like here. Let's check it out. see what is going on. So I've been trying out some aggregators, so this might be useful to you. There are some apps out there too, but this one, cryptonews.net, I've been liking. So cryptonews.net is an aggregator, kind of takes everything for you and puts it into a nice, chunks so you can see everything that's going on. So cryptonews.net might be a nice resource for you to hang on to. Okay, that's up there. Here, I'll drop this in chat so you don't forget. How about that? There you go. Boom. Patreon link is up there in the top chat, by the way, too. If you want to join our private community today, great day to do it, first of the month. But let's see the top stories. Oh, there we go. FTX met with CFTC's leadership. Wait, is that what was said in the chat? CFTC? Maybe? No, CNFT. Okay. So ledger acquisition. So is this why FTX is moving so much higher right now? Let's go back to our main list. Biggest gainers. Bitcoin trying to get back to 49K right now. Yeah, FTX is the biggest gainer in the top 100. And there it is on the front page of the news here. FTX met with CFTCs. Let's see here. In a run-up to its LedgerX acquisition announcement. Interesting. This week, FTX, the U.S. affiliate of the global FTX brand, announced that it acquired LedgerX. Wow. So FTX now owns LedgerX, a long-running crypto derivatives exchange that holds the licensure needed to offer futures, options, and swaps for retail and institutional clients. Interesting. So this is why FTX is jumping like crazy. FTX is booming right now today. There you go. That's why. Here's the news. They announced that it acquired LedgerX, long-running crypto derivatives exchange. So there you go. That's why that's happening. Big reason why that's happening. Let's see what else is going on. Christian Bishop says Bitcoin has taken the faith of many people. Let's see what's this about? Bishop Edir Macedo, the founder of Universal Church of Kingdom, said Bitcoin has gradually taken on the faith of many people. Noted that people's faiths are being diverted from God because investing in the world's largest cryptocurrency has helped them make easy money. What? According to the video, the bishop stated that with Bitcoin investors increasing their net worth easily via the asset class, they have become heavily reliant on it. How do you make these claims? Bitcoin has been on an impressive run. Bitcoin is not a... Okay, this is hilarious. I'm over that. Sorry. Ethereum, here we go. NFT resurgence outpacing Bitcoin. Ethereum price rises 10%. Love it. Ethereum, the world's second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, soon to be first when the flippening occurs, is surging in value today. It's up more than 10% over the last 24 hours. Almost got to 3,800. Stopped just short of 3,800. And this is it right here. People are underestimating this. The London hard fork network upgrade. This is huge. The EIP 1559 is massive. It has burned a ton of ETH. Okay, there it is. About more than 160,000 ETH has been burned. You can find that at etherchain.org. This new deflationary element could potentially boost the long-term value of Ethereum by gradually reducing the total supply. Heck yeah. Ethereum's price has jumped more than 46% over the past 30 days, according to CoinGecko. There you go. There you go. Boom. And when was this written? 23 minutes ago. Okay. Nice. More than 50 individual NFT items have sold for more than 1 million. How about that? There are more than 50 individual NFTs that have sold for more than 1 million worth of ETH apiece over the last 30 days alone. I mean, could you believe that? This is how big the NFT market is, and it's just getting started. That's massive. That's crazy. All right, let me bounce over to chat. Sorry, I left you hanging there for a few. Anybody new checking in, welcome in. Hopefully you subscribe to the channel. If you get some value here, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, do all that cool stuff while we go through some of the top news. Would appreciate that. Let's see. Shiba is now active on Webull. Really? Tim, it's totally active on Webull. Are we getting word from the devs on that? SHIB is completely active on Webull? No way. Let's see if we can find a word on that. Has there been a source? Let's go to SHIB Informer maybe. Or did Webull tweet it out? Oh, I don't want to go there. Where's SHIB Informer? There he is. SHIB Informa. There it is. 23 hours. Can officially be purchased on Webull. Yep. Okay. So that was 23 hours ago. SHIB is officially on Webull. So there we go. SHIB is officially on Webull, ladies and gentlemen. I got to create a video on that. Let me write that down so I don't forget. SHIB is officially on Webull. Let's see here. SHIB officially on Webull. Nice. Very cool. Thank you for that. Appreciate that. All right, let's see here. Oh, we got a super chat. Let me jump to that. A couple super chats. Sorry about that. We got them way down here. Can you check out TCG.world website? TCG. Okay, so is it TCG? Wait, what's the website? TCG. Dot? I don't know what I'm looking up here. Hold on. I will get there. Is that GTR? Who is that in the chat? And Juan, I'm coming to you next. GTR, what am I looking up? TCG dot? Oops. Dot portfolio. TCG, this got to be it, right? Thoughts on ETC? I don't like Ethereum Classic. Buying some right now. There you go. Getting some SHIB. Vet prediction 2025. Coleman, I can't really predict that far out, man. 2025 is a long way away, but I like getting to 36 cents in this cycle. I think it could triple from the 12 cents that it was at a few days ago. Building and modernizing solutions for the future. Open source, commercial, off-the-shelf, COTS, federal. Am I looking at the right thing here? I don't know, GTR, let me know what I'm looking at here. Thanks for keeping us informed, Zach. Yeah, no problem, Juan. Appreciate it, man. Thank you for the super chat. Tweet it now, Zach. Did I not tweet my link out? Or tweet that it's live on Webull? We could tweet it out, yeah. It's actually true. I'm going to do it on my phone here. Let's see here. Let's send out a tweet. SHIB is officially live on Webull. So I'm hearing from my people on our live stream. Come join us. Link in my last tweet. Boom. There we go. No, it isn't yet. SHIB is on Webull. Is SHIB on Webull yet? So what are we hearing? Hi, Zach. What's your prediction for Bone in 2020? I'm reading conflicting reports. Okay. All right. So let me delete that. Boca, I respect that. Let me delete. It was only out for 24 seconds. Nobody liked it. Good. All right, so yeah, that's what I thought. I didn't see any official word on that. So I guess some people are getting more beta testing. Maybe that's what's going on. Not yet, Zach. All right, thank you, Trina. It's tcg.world altogether. Google removes URLs. Okay, tcg.world. So is that it? tcg.world. Am I going to the right place? Ah, yes, this is it. GTR, thanks, man. All right, so what are we dealing with here? Is this another Metaverse? The largest open world Metaverse NFT platform. Interesting. Appreciate you sharing this with us, GTR. You know how I feel about the Metaverse and Decentraland. So, what makes this different than Decentraland, though? That's the question. It's in beta testing right now. Huh. Earn crypto, play games, and make new friends in the virtual world. We have big plans. Are you an artist? Bring your creations on life with the Metaverse and launch your own NFT career. Virtual houses need virtual art. Wow, that's cool. That's cool. TCG World. So have they developed a token yet? That's a question that I don't know. Have they... Let's go marketplace here. Okay, these are just... okay, these are purchased through BNB, it looks like. Yep. Gotcha. Interesting. Thank you. Set your limit buys 0.09 for ACH. It's around 0.095 at the moment. Error in the last post. Thanks, Kenzie. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Yeah, it's dipping a little bit. Oh, yeah, we are confirmed. We're going to have John Tan, CEO of Alchemy Pay, on the channel September 13th. So it's going to be bright and early in the morning for me to do the interview. So I'm not going to post it that early because I'm going to have to go to work. I'm going to be interviewing him at 7:30 a.m. Once I get back home from work, I will edit that up, and can't wait for that conversation. And, of course, you all will see the entire conversation on the YouTube channel. I'll post that video out there. CEO John Tan of Alchemy Pay coming on our channel. So that's pretty cool. Pretty pumped about that. Still saying not tradable. Okay. So conflicting reports. Some people have it. Some people don't. That's what I thought. Anything about ACH? Armando, well, there you go. There's something about ACH. But yeah, man, I like it. It's a risky play, okay? I think it's still at the infancy stages. It's still early, but super high reward, in my opinion. So yeah, I'm liking ACH right now more than AMP. And I know AMP's a top 100 currency. I usually don't like to go outside the top 100. When I do, it's pretty rare. But Alchemy, I believe, is the only one I own outside the top 100. Yeah. Alchemy is the only asset I own outside the top 100. So there you go. That says you know, how I feel about it. I got VET sitting in an Atomic wallet. It's making me VTHO now. It's moving. Nice, Brian. Love it. I think you're right, Boca. I think it is just Webull opening up the beta testing to more people. I agree. I agree. GTR, the coin was migrated on Saturday. TCG Coin 2.0. Nice. So there you go. If you're interested in the Metaverse, TCG Coin 2.0, they're in beta testing. tcg.world/marketplace. Check it out. That's super cool. Appreciate that, man. Satama's on the move. Yeah, up 45%, I'm hearing, huh? Interesting. Satama's on the move. Algorand partner with El Salvador. Ooh, that's interesting, Flores. Why is ACH not on Binance yet? Good question, Marcus. But I think it should be and probably will be soon. And that could be a huge boost. We saw what it did when it went to Coinbase. Howdy, y'all. What's up, Child of Ash? How you doing, man? 65% now? Okay, all right, let's take a look at it. What's going on with Satama here? Satama Inu, what is going on here? Let's see. What is the ticker symbol for... I don't know if we're going to get a full chart on Satama. I'm not sure if they'll give us one. Oh, actually, I already have it here. This is showing 50%, but it doesn't give us any charts. It doesn't give us any sticks. I wonder if does CoinMarketCap have it? Let's see. Yeah, it does. Here's Satama Inu. 48.24% right now, at least according to this. Charlie, Satama is on the move. Yep, Frank, if you want a good tip for a microcap, been investing in MTV, Multivac for a few weeks. Got 150% so far, and I feel like might go higher. Nice, Frank. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. Cool. Christine, hey, how you doing? JC, just joining. What are your thoughts on Saya Coin? It appears to be doing well. Yeah, it's doing okay. It's doing okay. I like it. It's one that love the idea, right? Selling your extra storage. Let's pull up another CoinMarketCap just so we have two of these up. Love the idea, man. But yeah, I just don't know in practice how it's going to all play out. You know, is there a big enough market for it? That's my real question. Nobility is a good one. Yeah, they're in the esports space. We covered them a couple days ago. It's interesting. I'm watching it closely. What's happening with SafeMoon? Haven't followed it too much after the crash of the site. Have they said anything about the wallets, SafeMoon? I haven't seen anything. All right, you know the next step up now. We need 20 more people to hit the like button so we get to 100. I know there are 20 people out there who forgot to do it. I'm a nice person. We got a bunch of nice people in here. The nicest thing you could do, it's totally free. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Help us push this out to other people. Help us out with the algorithm. Let's get a bunch of bright minds in here and learn some more things about crypto for a bit, right? All right, so SafeMoon. Let's go SafeMoon. Have they made an official word yet? I haven't heard anything. I have not heard anything from them. Daniel, thank you for the super chat. XRP still reminding us that investing in legal decisions is playing it slow. Exactly, Daniel. That's good. That's a good point. Let's try this again. SafeMoon wallet. Okay, so update on SafeMoon wallet. This came out on the 30th. What did they say on this? They give a timetable when it would be out. The wallet relaunch is an utmost priority. Thank you for your continued support. No date. But then they tweeted 23 hours ago that it was coming out. A new release date will be announced soon. Okay. More info this Sunday. So there you go. This Sunday we should hear more on SafeMoon wallet when it's going to be released. So there you go. That's the latest on SafeMoon. Waiting till this Sunday to hear the wallet release date. Appreciate that, Kenzie. Thank you. Meditation Express. I like meditating too, man. Right on. Pound it, brother. So kept 2 trillion just in case. SafeMoon AMA Sunday new wallet date. There you go. Boom. Giving update on Sunday. There it is. Cool, cool. SafeMoon community insisting that they not set a release date. Just release it when it's ready, then hype it. I agree, Daniel. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense, bro. Thank you for the super chat too, man. Appreciate you. Frank, good thing you remind us. I forgot to press like. Don't be shy to remind the viewers, man. Exactly, Frank. So anybody out there who forgot to hit the like button, go ahead. Be like Frank. It's okay. You can hit it a little late. XRP, is it moving? Boca loves some XRP. XRP is probably up, what, 3-4%? 2%. It's moving. It is moving up. Since yesterday, it was down at $1.09, so it's back up to $1.20. I like it. XRP is moving. Here was a big pump. This was yesterday at some point. Big pump there. There's XRP. Zach, how do you plan to move your money around once this bull market comes to an end? Andrew, it kind of depends on how high we go, right? But I do have some particular exit strategies for various coins. I will be taking some profits along the way, and I will let everybody who's an insider know exactly when I'm doing that towards the end of this bull cycle. A lot of people think, 4 to 6 months this bull cycle will last, and Patreon link is up in the top chat. I tend to agree. I think into next spring is when the bull cycle will maybe come to an end, and maybe a winter hits. And at first sign of some big sell-offs, I'll be taking some profits off the top. And ones that I'll be definitely taking profits from, SHIB, probably Doge, depending on how high we go. And when I say some profits, I'm still going to remain invested in these for the long term. But just, taking your initial investments out, maybe a little bit more. You got to go on vacation. You got to enjoy things, right? But still be a long-term investor in it and wait for the dip. If we're getting ready for crypto winter, you'll be able to, buy that stuff even cheaper. So, how do you check or know anything about them, Siacoin? How you check out or know anything about them, Siacoin or IOST? Mr. Flores, thank you for the super chat, man. I like Siacoin. IOST, I'm not aware of. Let me see what that is. I might be aware of it. I forget. That's not the Internet of Things, no. That's another one, I think. IOST. Just outside the top 100. Interesting. IOST, what do they do? Describes itself as a ultra-fast, fully fledged and decentralized blockchain network ecosystem with its own nodes, wallets, based on next-gen consensus protocol dubbed Proof of Believability. That sounds sketch. That sounds sketch already. I like proof of stake. I like the proof of stake model. So that's a red flag for me right off the bat. I don't know what it is, but it just sounds sketchy. But it's doing well. It's performing well. But in terms of Siacoin, I like it. Is it Jasu? Is it Jasu or Joshua? Jasu Flores? Hosu? Let me know how to pronounce that. I want to make sure I get that right because I always see in the chat. Thank you for the super chat. Daniel, thanks for another one, man. Appreciate the super chat. Beware the Ides of September. Yes. Yes, absolutely, Trina. Enjoys fruits of your labor. Enjoy fruits of your labor. Appreciate you, Trina. Thank you. Trina is one of our private community members over at the Patreon. Dylan is also one of our private community members, I believe, right? Who else? Daniel's in there. Everto's in there. A lot of private community members in the chat. Appreciate y'all. Let's get back to the news here. So we were talking about Ethereum, huh? More than 50 individual NFT items have sold for more than 1 million. Wow. Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution Polygon is up 11%. Now, this goes directly hand in hand. Ethereum's going to be up. Polygon's going to be up. Why do I own Polygon? I know exactly how tied it is to Ethereum. One big common mistake people make. Oh, Ethereum 2.0 comes out, they're not going to need Polygon anymore. That's not true. That's not true. I'm here to tell you. Ethereum 2.0 is still a layer 1 solution. While it's going to help with gas prices, it's going to help with transaction speed, it's going to help scalability, it's not going to help to the extent that Polygon will be helping because Polygon is the layer 2. Okay? Keep in mind, Sandeep Nawal at Polygon and their entire team over there, they're very close with Vitalik and Ethereum. They've got a great working relationship. I love ETH. That's why I've got Polygon too. And that's why I love Polygon as well. So Polygon moving right in line with Ethereum today. Love it. So Satama's up 50%. There you go. Price predictions for ACH. Armando, I'm not ready to give a price prediction yet. I do think we can get past the all-time high of 24 cents in this cycle. But it's going to depend on what this big new partnership is. And they're rolling out, by the end of the year, they are rolling out crypto cards, right? Is that what it is? Crypto cards? Hold on, let me get that right. Let me get that right. They have a big project coming soon. Sorry, things get mixed up sometimes. Alchemy Pay news. Should be able to find it. Here it is. Here we go. Alchemy Pay expects the service to be finished and deployed towards the end of virtual card. That's what it is. Okay, that's what I thought. So the virtual card initiative is being launched to tap into the reported rapid growth of crypto-linked card transactions across global markets. So this is set to be deployed towards the end of 2021 or early 2022. And then I think in addition to this, you've got something going on with another big partnership that is supposedly their biggest partnership yet, bigger than Shopify. And I'm going to ask the CEO, John Tan, about this. And hopefully he gives us an answer. But I will ask him about this partnership, see if he can give us a hint at who we're talking about here. Is it a retailer? Is it an e-commerce company? We'll see if he lets us know on that. Maybe he can't speak on it, but really looking forward to the interview that I'm going to have with John coming up on September 13th. I'll be tweeting that out as we get closer to it, so you could be aware of when I put that out. And it should be a fun one. And I'm going to be reaching out to more CEOs of crypto projects to interview them. I think that'll be a really cool addition to the channel. So, what's up, Aries? Universal, what about Yearn Secure? I don't know much about Yearn Secure. VeChain is a potential coin. Love it. Yeah. Divya, love VeChain. Dogecoin on the move, so bullish on Doge. Tatted Grizzly, what's up, man? Yeah, Doge looking good. Doge is it up to 30 cents yet? No, not yet, but it's getting there. 29 cents right now. Nice. Very nice. Ethereum selling back off a little bit, looks like. 3,700 right now. Just staked my ETH2 on Coinbase. Nice, Daniel. Yeah, I've got a couple staked ETHs over there. Nice. ETH gas price will go down. ETH price will go up. I'm predicting not much of a change for gas fees and Matic still being needed. Exactly. Exactly, Frank. The demand is so high, right? I mean, the gas fees are going to be there because the demand is outrageous. The demand for on the Ethereum network right now is crazy. Crazy high. Okay? Thanks, Tongan. Appreciate it, man. You should own SafeMoon, by far the best one lately I've purchased. Meditation, haven't heard of that one. I'll take a look at it. XRP conference went good in favor of XRP. Nice, Tyler. Tyler, my man, what's up, Tyler? Tyler is in our private community, and Tyler actually purchased that for me. That is the Pump and Hodl poster that is in the background now of all my videos. Super cool. And thank you, man. Appreciate that. It's a really cool addition. Okay. Okay, so Hosu. Am I saying that correctly? Hosu? Joshua in English. Josue. Jose. Okay. Jose in Spanish from El Salvador. Jose. Okay, gotcha. Is it okay if I call you Joshua? That's what always wants to come out when I look at your name, Joshua. From El Salvador. That is really cool. So are you getting excited for Bitcoin? Bitcoin in what, 6 days? Will become the legal tender in El Salvador? That's pretty neat. You got to be pretty pumped. Matic is a hedge against ADA. ADA is a hedge against ETH. Yeah, I mean, Daniel, I hear you. I think, I don't want to get so caught up in the ADA versus ETH argument, though. Like, just, in my opinion, like, own them both. They're my number one and number two, right? And I have more ETH than ADA. But in the unlikely event that Cardano flips Ethereum someday, I don't think that's likely to happen, in my opinion. But if it does, I'm situated nicely. But I'm going with the big horse, putting a little bit more money in the big horse because, one's a little bit quicker to the finish line already at 434 billion versus 92 billion. Things can change drastically, though, over the next 4 or 5 years. But, yeah, I love them. I love them both, man. But I hear you. I like the logic. Let's see. ADA hitting 3 by tonight. Maybe. It might, Tyler. VeChain is pumping good today. Yeah, it is. VeChain looks good today. Yeah, what's it up? 12, 13%, something like that. 12%, 11.5 now. Dialed back a little bit. Yeah, it's looking nice. Very nice. Just joined the private community today, and it's an awesome bunch over there. Thanks, Aries. Appreciate that, man. Thanks for joining, too. Welcome in. Hopefully you get some great value. What's up, Rob? Healing Potion is into NFT space, I think, as well. Nice. Speaking of Potion, what's going on with Smooth Love Potion? So Smooth Love Potion is part of the Axie Infinity kind of group. Let's see if they're up today. Slightly. But what's going on with this? I was looking at this the other day, and I got to better understand the tokenomics here before I do anything, because I almost bought this. So one would think that it's just outside, it's inside the top 200. Smooth Love Potion is the token that Axie Infinity players get rewarded with. They get rewarded with this token, and then they can exchange it for fiat or ERC20 tokens or whatever. They must just be exchanging it for other ERC20 tokens. I'm guessing that's what's going on, right? They're just not holding on to it. So I don't know if there's a chance that Smooth Love Potion can go up, but look at this. Over the past 3 months, it's just been sliding. So this thing was all the way up, though, at, right, like 40 cents. So what's the all-time high here? All-time high, wait, where is it? There it is, 41 cents. So right now it's at 11. So essentially it should 4x to get back to its all-time high. That's why I was looking at it, right? Is this one that could 4, 5, 6x? And I just don't understand why it's fallen so much. Look at this. It's just continuing to fall. Look at the 1 month. This chart looks ugly. That doesn't look good at all. And again, you know, here it was back in August, it was 21 cents, right? So, I mean, is this a buy the dip opportunity? Initially, I thought it was, right? Is this a buy the dip at 11 cents? But something's going on here as to why, I don't know. It says here, holders will be able to access new features, breeding and staking in the future if they upgrade their AXS SLP. This can be done from AxieinFinity.com starting Wednesday, 28th of April, 2021. Okay. That was a while back. Okay. Yeah, I just don't know. I don't know. Makes the Axies breed. But, like, people must not be hanging on to it, right? Is that what's going on? SLP doesn't move much. It's a utility token. Use it to breed there. Okay. AJ, could you elaborate on AMP from what you said this morning? Yeah, AJ, basically, I watch a bunch of people do technical analysis because it's not my specialty, but I've got a few people who I watch on YouTube and I read, and the overall consensus is the technicals do not look good for AMP. Now, I'm not saying don't invest in it. I'm saying I learned this and I'm sharing this information with you. Do with it as you please, right? I still think it's a high risk, high reward play, and I think a lot of people are still trying to figure out was the hype more Coinbase related or the potential, future of the Flexa network. And I think there's something there. I mean, there's definitely a good project there, but something doesn't add up when a lot of people doing TA are saying stay away, right? So I'm battling with my intuition that it could be good versus looking at the technical analysis and understanding that people who are doing it know way more than I do, so I respect their opinions in that regard. So I'm kind of at a crosshair. I'm still holding some of mine. I do still have some AMP, but I am thinking about getting rid of it and putting it maybe into something like Alchemy Pay where I'm already invested, and we'll see. We'll see. Or maybe even opening up a new position. So one that I bought, and I'll say this because it's been a little while since I bought it, but I bought Zilliqa. Okay, Zilliqa is an interesting one. It's number 83, so it's in the top 100. I like Zilliqa a lot. Speaking of some of the technicals, I've watched some people talk about Zilliqa that have been really bullish on it, a few different people, and there are a lot of things adding up in their favor. So they are a public permissionless blockchain designed to offer high throughput. They went live in 2018. Okay, what makes it unique? It's the world's first public blockchain to rely entirely on a sharded network. This allows it to achieve high throughput and high rate of transactions per second, which is crucial, which it says solves the scalability issue. Because each shard processes transactions individually, as the network grows and the number of shards increases, the number of transactions that can be processed per second also increases. That's a great system. As well, records are immediately added to the Zilliqa blockchain after being processed, meaning that no additional time for confirmation is required. There's no lag time. Zilliqa seeks to become the blockchain of choice for large-scale enterprise use, including among the advertising, gaming, entertainment, and financial services and payments industries. So think about that. In its 2018 position paper, its team states that the platform aims to rival traditional centralized payment methods such as Visa and MasterCard. That's crazy, right? That's a crazy bullish case, that last paragraph, right? But keep in mind, it's relatively cheap. It's in the top 100. It has a lot of the great technicals that a lot of people have talked about that know better than I do, right? I can read this information and this data and kind of read about the company, which I do, but I defer, to others when it comes to technical analysis. But I go into it with my information that I've compiled, and then if they say it all checks those boxes technically, that's one that I usually want to add on to my position. So I did add on to Zilliqa, opened up a new position in Zilliqa, and it's one I'm going to hang on to for a while because I think there's a lot of potential there. So there's one for you to check out, okay? That is definitely one to take a look at. Tyler, SLP looks like AMP. Straight down, huh? Predictions on VET for December. Critique, a great question. I think at least 36 cents by the end of the year. So right now it's at, what, 13 cents? It was at 12 the other day. I think a 3x from there. Wouldn't be shocked if it got into the 40s. Wouldn't be shocked if it got into the 40s. I like Zilliqa will be bigger in the future. I think so too, Andrew. I think so too. Let's see. Vet on fire. Yeah. Mina is on fire. Yep. I did read some things on Mina. It does not check out a lot of the technical boxes, if you will, but I like Mina. I still like it, Dylan. Shiba to the moon. What's up, graphics? Where is Shib? Let's take a look at Shib real quick. Where is Shib? It was ranked 50 earlier. I think it's still 50-ish. Yeah, 50. Okay, so there it is. Still ranked 50, top 50. I'm all in Shiba, bro. Hope one day I get some big profit. Lazaros, my advice to you would be don't be all in on SHIB. Diversify. Did you ever get into Satama, Zach? It's up 82%. I did not, Christine. But I'll tell you this. Okay, for anybody in Satama Inu right now, you're up 82%. I'd be taking some profits. Personally. I'd be taking some profits. At least take your initial investment out. Now you're playing with house money. This is just my opinion here. Not for financial advice, entertainment, informational purposes only, but I'd be taking profits. Yeah. I would definitely be taking profits right now. Bought Zill when you posted in the insider email. Nice, Tongan. Love those messages. Appreciate you. So what Tongan is referring to, anytime I buy and sell, I do let my insiders know. I send them a private message right here on Patreon. Of course, just for $10 per month, you're going to get the Discord access to our private community. It's a great place. We're talking crypto all the time. That's just for $10 a month. You could join over 125 people talking crypto, and you can ask them questions. You can ask me questions, learn from each other for $10 a month. It's a one-stop shop, all things crypto all the time. 24 hours of the day, people are in there talking. Now, for just another additional $10, you get all that in the Discord, plus the buy and sell trade alerts, which Tongan's referring to, hot weekly crypto alerts, right? Just general alerts. Hey, check out this article. Look at this. This is going to be big. We're going to keep this on our radar. Portfolio guidance, meaning I will take a look at your individual portfolio for you, give you some feedback, and then also we have a group portfolio that I add to every month. You can see what a winning portfolio looks like. All right, so that link is up in the top chat, the Patreon. Great day to do it too, first of the month of September. I'm loving how this Patreon group is growing. I'm telling you what, I work obviously a full-time job, and I do this on YouTube, so I don't have a lot of free time. By choice, I don't have a lot of free time because I love what I do. I'm passionate about it, and the private community has become, I look at them as friends, truly, and it's a great place, and I think a lot of other people would say the same. I communicate with those people all the time, and it's just it's a great place. So we'd love to have you join us. Michael, thank you for the super chat, man. Let's jump back over to the articles here. See what else we got. Just entered Chainlink. Nice. Nice, Kritika. Should I buy more or is it a good time? It's a little up today, actually. So ideally, you would have liked to get in, well, I mean, ideally, when it was sub 20, when it was like 15 bucks, right? A couple months ago. But where's Link at right now? Still below 30. I still like a Kritika. I think this should be $40 per token right now. I think by the end of the year, it's going to get back to all-time highs, which is at 52, if not higher. So I think you should be able to make at least 20 bucks on each of those Link assets, in my opinion, by the end of the year, if you hold it till then. And it's not so flashy, right? It's not those big ups and big downs. It's kind of just steady. But it's nice to have a nice backbone like that in your portfolio. If you're planning on holding Link for the long term, I think it'll be a few $100 per Link in a few years. Okay. I need to go up a little bit more before I take profits. I hear you, Christine. AMP could be due for a pump. It could be. I hope so. I mean, I'm still holding on to some of it. What's up, Brian? Loving ETH today. Me too, brother. Adding to Alchemy, it's on sale. I hear you, Mike. Good tips, Dylan. Digibyte is still to arrive on Coinbase. Nice. That's a good point. Joined a week ago and have learned a lot. Thanks, Antonio. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for joining, brother. And who else said something about it? I think it was Gabriella. Thank you. All right, y'all. Yeah, smash that like button. Let's get up to 150. There's got to be 12 of you out there who forgot to hit the like button on your way in. That's all right. I forgive you. As long as you smash the like button now. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, too. Let me know if you're new. If you're a new listener, new viewer. And let me know if you're enjoying the stream, too. I'd love to hear from you. So, okay, what else do we got? How about some price analysis here on a couple big ones? Let's see what they got here. Okay, let's see. 200-day moving average, 46,000 for BTC. We're above that. We're above the 200-day moving average right now, right? Yep, 48. ETH. The bulls continued buying today, pushed the price above the psychological market, 3,500. Yep. This signals a resumption of the uptrend, which may reach the next target at 4,000. There you go. Next objective, 4,000. Think it gets to 4,000 today or tomorrow? Think that happens? I think it could. I would not be shocked at all if it gets there tonight. Let's see. ADA. Got some resistance at 297, as we know. What's the all-time high on ADA? I don't think it's cracked $3 yet, right? I think it's 297. Yep, 297 all-time high. BNB, what do we got? Breakout and close above 520 would clear the path for an up move to 600 and then 680 on BNB. Yeah, BNB is a good one. I mean, obviously, 484 right now, BNB. What's the all-time high on BNB? I don't really look at this one all too much. Let's see. All-time high on BNB. I think it is like 600, right? 500-ish, maybe. Ooh, all-time high 690 4 months ago. Wow. 690 all-time high 4 months ago. So basically getting back up to those all-time highs is likely here on this run, which I could see that. Makes sense. XRP, what do they got? Let's see here. Bulls have not given up much ground. Okay. So basically it has upside all the way to $1.66. Downside pattern target is 75 cents. I'm hoping Uphold gets my account all figured out right in time to buy XRP at 75 cents. That'd be a nice dip. I would buy that dip. Gabrielle, thank you. Patreon group is great. Highly recommend. Appreciate that. Mike could really use that BNB jump. ADA 301. Not right now, is it? No, it's 286. High is 297 on ADA. Yes, Kritika, you're right. Shiba and Doge do move together a lot. A lot. I'm new. I like you in Austin Hamilton. Thank you, John. Welcome in, man. New here, new to the market, still learning. What's up, Jumpin' Jack? Welcome in. I got Zill when you shared. Nice, Perry. Yeah, I'm hanging on to that one for a while, Perry. I like it. I'm going to be adding on to that one, too. I think that's an under the radar. Nobody's talking about it, but hey, it's a top 100, and you see what they're trying to do. You saw that last paragraph on CoinMarketCap. I looked into their their technical situation through the help of other experts, and they believe everything looks great for Zilliqa. So all I did was go to YouTube and kind of search some things up. So do your own due diligence. Let me know your thoughts. Love to hear from you. But the technicals check out. I love what they're trying to do from a real-world perspective. It's got a built-in use case, obviously, in a lot of different areas, right? I mean, that last paragraph seeks to become the blockchain of choice for large-scale enterprise use, including among the advertising, gaming, entertainment, and financial services and payment industries. It's kind of like a VeChain thing, right? Where if like one of these areas takes off, it's going to be looking great here, okay? So, team states that the platform aims to rival traditional centralized payment methods such as Visa and MasterCard. So, there you go. Pretty sweet. Let's see. Larry Hale, did you send out a tweet? I believe I did. Yeah, man. I think so. Hopefully it went out. Did it go out? Let's see. Hopefully. Let's see. Crypto Live. Yeah, it's out. There it is. So retweet that, y'all. Retweet that for me. Hit the like button, too, if you haven't already. Floki is flying right now. Any thoughts on that? Let me guess. Take profit straight away. Gabrielle, I would. Yeah, it's too risky and it fluctuates too quickly. What Satama's up 87%, I'd be taking some profits, in my opinion. But it depends on when you got in. I get it. Every situation's different, right? I understand that. Don GG, what's up, man? Dona Swap coming soon. Okay. Donna Swap. Should have bought Satama. Should I buy now or wait until next dip? Yeah, I wouldn't buy now. Nah, I wouldn't buy now. I mean, in my opinion, we'll watch it go up to 180%. But if it were me, I would not be buying right now. Okay. Nice, Don. That's awesome, brother. Jay, we have been talking about VET a little bit. Love it, man. I think 36 cents by the end of the year is really reasonable. If not by the end of the year, I'd be shocked if it didn't get there by the end of the year. But if it didn't, it'd be early 2022, at least 36 cents. I think at least into the 40s early 2022. I think, VeChain could essentially 6 to 8x in the next year. I think that's really fair. In the supply chain space, I think 2022 is going to be a great year for crypto. So I think it'll be a big winner. That's why I'm invested in it. I mean, I'm just telling you kind of where I'm at with, my favorite ones for the rest of this year and beyond are the ones I'm invested in. Ethereum. Sorry, I'm itching my back. Cardano. Polygon. VeChain. Right? Those are big players for me, and yeah, those are probably I think they are my largest positions. Ethereum, Cardano, VeChain, and Polygon. I think it changes here and there depending on what's up, what's down, but yeah, I mean they're right up there. Okay. Yeah, VET's up 12% today. Yeah, love it. Rally token. John, haven't heard of that. What is that? Do you see Ben Cowan video on mathematics? Great video for stream. No, I didn't see that, Tyler. Where's it at? Let's see here. Go to YouTube. Let's see. The only thing is you get ads when you're on live, and then it's all kind of crap. You know what I mean? You do get that. Nick J. Satama is a legit corporation in the U.S. Satama Mass coming soon, and they have some big announcements on deck about partnerships. Thanks for the vids. Thanks, Nick. Appreciate the super chat and insight and input on Satama. Appreciate it, man. I'm sure you're enjoying the gains right now. Hey, there's me. There's us. Look at us. We're live. Thank you for everybody who's retweeting that for me, too. If you could retweet that, kind of push that out to other people. Also hit the like button. That helps get some people in here, too. So I did not go with the Shiba Inu live title, so maybe it's not hitting the algorithm. And it's kind of a weird time in the afternoon for everybody. But rallies on Coinbase? Okay. Big Data Protocol's a sleeping giant. Zay, what's happening, man? How you doing, brother? Jay, what's happening, bro? You bet. John, what's up, Zach? You think about... Okay, got it. Anthony... AK, Big Data Protocol's a sleeping giant. Okay. Any views on VeChain? What's up, Graphics? How you doing, brother? VeChain. Dude, it's been crushing it. I got that much for you. Outside of that, I don't, I don't do a lot of deep diving into it. Maybe I should. It's one I got to take a little longer look at. So let's go to Cowan's page at least, and we can refer to the one Travis was talking about. Benjamin Cowan, for those of you who don't know what he is, he does a lot of great technical analysis. So just a really, really bright person in the space here on crypto. I go to his channel quite a bit. I learn a lot from him as well. X out some of these tabs here. Let me X out some of these tabs. Graphics, my man, what's up? Tyler, it's about the market in general and how we could hit 10 trillion market within a year. He nailed it. Wow. Bitcoin, the beauty of mathematics, part 15. I'm guessing this is what you're talking about here, right? So let's see if we can listen to some of this without an ad. We're going to get an ad probably right off the bat. Oh, no, we didn't, actually. So Benjamin Cowan, go definitely subscribe to his channel. This is out today. And maybe we don't get an ad here? Maybe we won't.
Jumping back into the cryptoverse. Today, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, the beauty of mathematics, part 15. If you guys like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and also check out the Telegram channel, which you can find a link to in the description below. Let's go ahead and jump in. So on the first of every month, we do this update, and it's probably my favorite series to do. Now, while it's called Bitcoin, we're actually looking at the valuation of the entire cryptocurrency asset class, but Bitcoin does make up a decent amount of it. What we do during this series is we look at the overvaluation or undervaluation of the crypto asset class with respect to the fair value logarithmic regression trend line. We try to make some dubious speculations on what could theoretically happen. We'll be taking a look at that in this video. Now, why do we talk about the beauty of mathematics? Well, the thinking that we had a year and a half ago or so was we see mathematics in nature all the time. And with Bitcoin, you have these halvings built in, you have so much built in to Bitcoin. And what we see, what we've seen so far, are cycles that play out that are very distinct from one another, yet they all do carry some similarities. We have these boom and bust cycles, and the whole idea is, can we explain what's going on via mathematics? And so what we do is we take the white line here is the total cryptocurrency market capitalization. The red line is the logarithmic regression fair value trend line, which is fit to all of the data, right? It's not just the peaks, it's not just the bottoms, it's fit to all of the data. And as of September 1st, the total cryptocurrency market capitalization is coming in at a very modest 2.07 trillion, with the fair value logarithmic regression trend line coming in at a very humble 888 billion. This represents today an over.
To give you an idea, gold is a $10 trillion market cap. So what he's saying here is within a year's time, the entire crypto market will be the same as gold. Do you think everybody will look at crypto as the store of value then in some capacity over gold? Probably.
Overvaluation of approximately 133%. Now, we can stay overvalued for years if history is any indication. We can also stay undervalued for years. And we're going to dig into just how overvalued or undervalued we could theoretically go. So, some of the ways that we can try to understand this market is at lines measuring from the bottom to the top. Now, this part is certainly not mathematical. We're just sort of looking at it more or less is trend angles, but again, trend angles are very dependent on the aspect ratio. So if you do try to do too much dubious speculation on trend angles, it can get you into trouble because, again, it does depend on the aspect ratio that you're using. But when we look at this and we propagate through from one cycle to another, what do we?
Okay, so if you're interested in this, go over and check out the entire video, Bitcoin, The Beauty of Mathematics, Part 15. It's a 21-minute video. Benjamin Cowan does a fantastic job with the technical analysis. He's one of the people I watch. Tyler is spot on here. So awesome. Tyler, if you can give us any other nuggets. It's about the market, he says, in general, and how we could hit 10 trillion within a year. He nailed it. Yeah, pretty awesome stuff, and super, super bright person, too, in the crypto space. So there you go. That's his channel. Go check him out. I go there all the time and watch his content. So, all right, y'all. I think I'm going to close up shop. Thank you all so much. Make sure you check out some of the other videos on the channel if you haven't seen some of these today. I've got 4 out today, a couple on Ethereum. Actually, one this morning before it exploded, so that was this one. Chainlink, how it's undervalued, and a Shiba Inu update from earlier this morning. Also, yesterday we did something on Audius and Solana, so those are some of the latest videos out. And appreciate each and every one of you all so much. Thank you. Great way to start the month. Crypto is on fire. Here's September 1st, and I think we're setting up for a great month. And September, October, November, December. Can't wait to see what these next 4 months hold here for crypto. The rest of 2021, I'll be here each and every day bringing you the latest news and information. Appreciate it, and thank you. Very grateful for all of you out there. Hit the like button if you haven't already on the way out. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.